Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video, I'm going to talk about comments in Python. It is very easy to understand. For example, comments are used to explain your source code to yourself. For example, you are writing some code inside your programs. You declare some variable and you have declare a number, then you put some value and you declare another number, you put some value, and so on and so forth. In order to explain the source code to humans or to yourself, the command is used. For example, in Python you can use this cast tag to explain this. I'm going to say this is a variable. So when the Python is reading the source code, the Python is ignoring this line of code because it is not meant for Python, it is meant for humans. So we use commands to describe our source code to humans. For example, if you write source code, your source code can be used by another software engineers. For when you work in a biggest project, you need to develop it and you can write some commands it, and the other software engineer can easily read your source code and understand the logic of your programming. So the command is used to describe the source code, and another purpose of the command is used to ignore the source code. For example, if you want to ignore this line, you can just do it, and the Python will not recognize this coding as its source code, it does not recognize, because it will treat as a command. And if you want to write multi-line command, you should use this, for example, and you can type whatever you want. You can explain anything here. For example, this is a simple program, okay, like that. But if you use hashtag is it's single line command. For single line command, this is a command, okay, and you cannot write here. But if you use this multi-line command, you can write a block of commands like this to explain your source code. The main idea of the command is to explain your source code. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.